Hello guys. So today we will try to solve this interesting problem. So it says that let E and B uh, the independent events, the probability that both E and F happens is 1 by 12 and the probability that neither E nor F happens is 1 by 2. And then find PE and PF. So probability that E and F, it is basically E intersection F, happens is 1 by 12, and probability that neither E nor F happens is 1 by 2. Then find PE and PF. So we know that for independent events, probability of P intersection F is equals to PE and PF. So maybe we can just put the values. It will give us probability of E into probability of F is equals to P intersection F, that is 1 by 12. Similarly, PE not intersection F naught will be P E naught uh, multiply by probability of F naught. Maybe I could just edit this. Yeah. So this is PE naught and PF naught, and it is given as 1 by 2. We can just now do some manipulations in the values. So we know that from the fundamental concept of probability that probability of E naught will be 1 minus probability of E. So utilizing this, we can write here 1 minus probability of E, 1 minus probability of F is equals to 1 by 2. Now we can just multiply them inside the brackets. So it will give us now we can write it as we can take the values from this value, we can take from here and put it down there. So it will be, I'm just taking these minus terms towards the right hand side and rewriting the equation. One plus the speed times PF will be 1 by 12, and then this it will become like this. Then maybe we can just simply add them. It will become 7 by 12. Now we have this first equation which says that probability of E times probability of F will be 1 by 12. And here we have second equation which says that probability of E plus probability of F is 7 by 12. And now this is our second equation. So we can just calculate, we can just solve these two equations and get the values. So maybe I can put them. Let us call this PE PF equals to how much it is? Uh, it is 1 by 12. 1 by 12. So this is our first equation. Let us call PE is equals to X, PF equals to Y. Then we can rewrite the both equations as 7 by 12 and XY equals to 1 by 12. So this is our first equation and this is second. From first in second, putting Y equals to 1 by 12x. X plus 1 by 12x is equals to 7 by 12. We can multiply the whole equation by 12x. It will become 7x. And then we can just bring it to the left side and we can now solve this quadratic. So we can just factorize it as 4x, 3x plus 1. Then maybe we can take factors like that. It will give us 4x minus 1, 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So x will be 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Two values. We can take any one of them and calculate y. Y is, how much is y? Y is 1 by 12x. 1 by 12x. So if we put x equals to, if x equals to 1 by 3, y is equals to 1 by 4. And if we use x equals to, if we use x equals to 1 by 4, it will give us y equals to 1 by 3. So the two values which we needed, that is PE and PF. So PE and PF will be 1 by 4 and 1 by 3, or maybe 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So it does not matter which one is PE and which one is PF, because you see both the equations are homogeneous in terms of x and y. You see, this is PE plus PF equals to 7 by 12. PE and PF equals to 1 by 12. So it does not matter which one is PE and PF. The two values will be 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Thanks.